Hello everyone, I'm Larry Yo, makeup artist and beauty educator based here in Singapore. I'll be going through with you various tips on how to prep your skin to create that flawless makeup. So note it down or bookmark this video for further references. So why is it important to do your skincare properly before applying on makeup? Well, my tips would be always take time to apply skincare on the face, because when you take that few more seconds to knead, massage, work on the skincare upon the face, it allows the topical part of your skin to plump up with hydration, which makes sure your makeup will go on flawlessly. So what effects of properly prepped skin? Number 1, topical lines are reduced. Number 2, patchy dry areas are lessened. Number 3, your makeup applies better on plumped up skin. Number 4, concealer applies on beautifully. Number 5, your makeup lasts longer with a properly hydrated base, also known as your skin. So what are the main skincare steps to note before starting your makeup routine? Always dampen your skin. Make sure there's a bit of water or moisture upon the face before you apply or start using your skincare. Next is toner. If you need, apply twice. If the top part of the skin looks a bit parched, to ensure the dry patches are softened out. Next is hydrating serum. Palm on your hands, spread it through your fingers and apply upon the face. So your fingertips should feel wherever the skin feels parched or maybe flaky and dry. Massage it through properly to soften the dry area. Or, my extra tip is, use the massage function of the Luna 3, this ribbed end. What you do is switch it on, and while the serum is on the face, allow it to run through the face itself. By doing that, you're creating micro massage upon the skin, and you find that your skin becomes more plump up. Followed on by moisturizer. Depending on your skin type, most of you who have drier skin can apply across the whole face. For me, what I like to suggest is start applying on the dry parts of the face first, and then the excess apply upon the oilier parts of the T-zone. What if you still have dry patches on the face? For example, some of you out there might have dryness here, on like previous like acne marks or scars, it's still a bit dry patches itself. What you can do is you lay a bit more moisturizer on those dry spots and leave it for a while. I would say about 2-3 minutes. You can either block away with a piece of tissue paper or massage it in your fingers. And of course, the last step is to apply sunscreen on the whole face, including your neck and the back of the neck, and then follow on with primer where you need. So here are my extra tips for skin that lackluster or looking parched. So I like to use Foreo UFO 2 with hydrating masks. Oily and combination skin will like H2O overdose or Make My Day, whereas drier skin types will appreciate the Bulgarian rose or the coconut oil. We apply this right after toner. So allow 90 seconds of the treatment for the mask to infuse in the skin to create a beautiful moist-drenched skin. Also, you're able to go on straight to moisturizer and skip any serums right after using the treatment. How important is it to properly cleanse the skin after a whole day of makeup? Well, there are people who do quick but inefficient cleansing, or even worse, sleep overnight with their makeup on. It is vital to ensure all forms of build-up and your makeup and sunscreen are removed at the end of the day. So when your skincare is applied, it can start off on a clean slate and lessen the likelihood of breakouts. So how do we do it? After cleansing with a makeup remover, foam up a pea size of facial cleanser, apply across the whole face. Kickstart the Luna 3 by following its instructions, setting the time for 60 seconds. Use the silicone brush head and feel it across the face, and when it beeps, move on to another section. These are my tips to sustain proper moisture for the skin throughout a long day. What you can do is check during midday and end of the day and note where the oily and the sweatiest part of the face is. This to ensure the sweatier or oilier areas are not overloaded with too much moisturizer or end up risking feeling greasy. The trick here is to apply lesser moisturizer on the greasier parts. For example, for me, my T-zone is a bit more oily, so I tend to apply lesser moisturizer on this whole part. Before you start with skincare, always ensure the skin is slightly damp before applying your toner or serum. This allows the water to be bind directly to the skin, and it benefits most people. If your skin still looks dry after moisturizing, you have to check on your skincare. It might be due to under moisturizing or even under hydrating. So take your time to massage on your skincare product. Solutions for those skin constantly feeling dry. I think you require more emollient product to trap moisture in your skin, or those that is topically parched. always take time to work products into the skin. So what is beneficial about integrating professional skincare devices in your skincare and makeup routine? With Foreo UFO 2, you can now use it with any sheet masks to maximize the mask potential with the personalized heat adjustment. The brand calls it thermotherapy. This heat adjustment allows better penetration of nourishment from warming the skin up to quickly infuse the mask's ingredients into the skin. And you can always try out which warmth is better for your skin tolerance because you can adjust the heat. This device allows heat adjustment to slightly over 40 degrees Celsius. What the other thing the UFO 2 can do is to quickly cool down what the brand calls cryotherapy to create a taut skin look and appearance of smaller pores. You can use the chill steps around the eye and on the face for puffy days. And I love using the UFO 2 on a hot day to soothe and relieve flare-ups from the hot weather, especially when you're paired with a hydrating facial treatment to create a cool down effect. There is also the T-sonic pulsations while using the UFO 2 that will allow the skin to look better. How so? Well, picture having an amplified mini massage on your face as you move the device around the face. You can achieve your professional salon treatment while away from the salon. Remember, there is only one Foreo brand and only buy it from legitimate stores like from Foreo themselves or from Sephora. These are investment devices and you're paying for innovation and technology. Do not go for low quality made copies. Thank you very much for joining me in this video. I hope my tips can help you achieve better makeup application. This is Larry Yo signing off. Bye!